In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop notifications in Confluence. If your inbox or chat is getting noisy, this walkthrough will help you quickly take control. We'll open your notification settings, turn off the channels you don't need, and, if you want to go further, unwatch specific pages or entire spaces to stop updates from places you no longer follow. By the end, you'll have a calmer, more focused workflow in Confluence. First, open your notification settings. Log into Confluence, then look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. From there, choose Settings, and then select Notifications. This is your central hub for how Confluence reaches you. If your organization has customized the layout, the wording may vary slightly, but you're looking for a section labeled Notifications or something similar. Take a moment to scan what's available so you know what you're about to change. Next, turn off the notification methods you don't want. You'll typically see options for email, Slack, and Microsoft Teams, depending on what your company has connected. Simply toggle off the channels that are cluttering your day. For example, if you only want updates in Slack, turn off email and Microsoft Teams. Or, if you prefer classic email digests, switch off Slack and Teams. Some workspaces autosave changes, others may require you to confirm or save, so watch for a Save or Apply button. After this step, most general updates will stop coming through the channels you disabled. Quick note while we're here, I've placed the official Confluence link at the top of the description so you can sign in or open your settings quickly. If your team uses a desktop app, you'll find the relevant link there too. If you still receive alerts from certain pages or spaces, unwatch them to stop those updates entirely. Go to the page or space you're following, click the triple dot More Actions menu, and choose Watch Settings. You'll see options like Watch this content, Watch child items, or Watch all content in this space. Deselect the ones you don't want. This ensures that even if you've limited notifications overall, you won't get alerts triggered by content you were previously watching. It's a great cleanup step, especially if you've accumulated lots of follows over time. That's it. You've opened notification settings, turned off unnecessary channels, and unwatched pages or spaces if needed. You can revisit these settings anytime and fine-tune as your projects change. Enjoy the quieter, more focused Confluence experience. And thanks for watching.